as you can see, we got all these amazing options for free. Guys, we can also test this enable jump power, and we can make these settings, and let's test jumping. As you can see, guys, it's crazy. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest script for Grow a Garden absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, and also you can use it with your PC. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I actually got it online, and later we will test it, does it actually work. So guys, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforage.com, and click on browse scripts. So guys, there you will find Grow a Garden. Click there guys, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on browser, log in there and copy your profile link. When you copy your profile link, just get back the tool and click on this small button, and it will automatically scrape only your user ID. So just click continue guys, and it should start searching for your user account. As you can see, you should get this message user found, and you should get your name there and your avatar. It's my name and it's my avatar. And now guys, we have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use Grow a Garden script. So guys, if you already have any executor, just click here. I already have a different executor. If you already got Delta executor, just click here yes, or if you have no any executor, just click no and import Delta executor. I have no, and now I will import Delta executor to my account. So later, after this, we will have to select script for our Grow a Garden. Select Forge Hub and Nicus guys. These two scripts are the best for Grow a Garden. So just select them and click continue. So it will start connecting to API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel guys. I will record more reviews like this, and I will review more websites. So just make to stay updated. So yeah, there we go guys, we got API connected. Nice, there we go, we got our user account connected, and we got our activation key generated. There we go guys. So now we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Grow a Garden script with key. So guys, it's one-time verification, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download TikTok, you can download games, you can complete simple questionnaires. It's really up to you. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and playful rewards. So click free, click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. I mean, for each task you complete, you will have to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for playful rewards, I will download and install this app, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See when I complete these 2 tasks, be right back. So let's see together what will happen, and does it actually work. Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and playful rewards, and I have followed their instructions, and I got this message guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm still waiting for this redirection. It wasn't redirecting me. So let's wait together and let's see. Well, there we go guys, there we go, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Grow a Garden script is imported to your account guys. Our user account ID connected and our key is connected. There we go. So now we will open our Roblox and we will see is it actually working. So let's click on Grow a Garden, let's click play, and let's see will we actually receive our 2 scripts that we selected. So nice, we also received our Delta executor, there we go. And now guys, we will test our script. So let's test it. There we go, we got Forge Hub and NICUs, and we have selected these two to pre-install. So let's click execute on Forge Hub first, and there we go guys, we got our game detected grow a garden, as you can see, and we loaded our amazing script guys. We have literally a lot of these amazing options. There we go. So we can also no clip, we can also walk, we can teleport. So it works amazing guys, yeah. And let's test also NICUs. So let's click on NICUs execute, and let's see is NICUs working. It's second script guys, and it also have a lot of these options. So as you can see, we got all these amazing options for free guys. We can also test this enable jump power, and we can make these settings, and let's test jumping. As you can see guys, it's crazy. We can use all these for free, so it works amazing. And I hope you enjoyed this video review, and I hope you found it helpful. So if you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.